How to delete Netflix top searches. Let's get started. When you use Netflix search feature, you will likely see a section called recommended searches. These aren't based on your personal search or watch history. Instead, they show popular searches made by other users in your region or based on the categories you have watched. Think of it like Google's trending searches or YouTube's trending videos. Unfortunately, these suggestions are auto-generated and there is no way to delete or customize these lists at the moment. It's important to know that the top searches aren't the same as your watch history. They are not influenced by what you have searched for but are rather recommendations based on regional trends and categories Netflix thinks you might like. So, if you are seeing certain shows or genres in the top searches that you would rather not, there is currently no option to remove or change these unless Netflix decides to update this feature in the future. However, while you can delete top searches, you can manage your continue watching list and remove items from your watch history. Navigate to the continue watching section. Here you're gonna find a list of the videos. If you wanna remove any of the video, what you can do is click on three dots given at the bottom right of the video. Click on remove from the row, click on remove. Do the same for other videos as well. In conclusion, you can delete the recommended videos on Netflix, but you do have control over your personal watch history. Hopefully this helped clear things up. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.